Time now for business. Animal feed manufacturers may start importing yellow maize as early as next week in efforts to reduce the prices. Livestock Principal Secretary Harry Kimtai says the National Treasury is at the final stages of approving importation of yellow maize with 99.1% purity after the Ministry of Agriculture revised their 100% GMO-free import requirement.
Animal feed manufacturers could soon be allowed to source yellow maize from Latin countries after the government backtracked on its decision to allow only 100% non-GMO yellow maize importation. The National Treasury is expected to approve a revised Gazette notice this week that reduces the purity level to 99.1%.
The amended Gazette notice is already in the National Treasury, and I believe our Cabinet Secretary, National Treasury, will be able to gazette it as soon as, in fact, as early as this week.
There are shortages in the whole world, and we're hoping to get some more maize and wheat from southern African countries through Tanzania and Zambia and Zimbabwe. And we're working quite closely with government to make sure that we, as a Kenyan consumer, we get enough food on our plate.
Millers had argued that the 100% purity requirement had reduced their yellow maize import sources and had been priced out of the market by multinationals.
The feeds, both fish feeds, livestock feeds, and so forth, the ingredients are very expensive. And there's a proposal that the ministry has done to Treasury to support, to waive some of the taxes on.
The yellow maize imports is expected to reduce the high cost of animal feeds that resulted to a 30% increase of milk prices. This as the government insists milk imports from Uganda will continue despite concerns about the rule of origin of Ugandan dairy products.
Why we are doing this verification is because of the information that we're told that sometimes the milk that comes from Uganda could have been reconstituted. The milk powder has been reconstituted.
This Asoman is expected to import the third consignment of live animals from Kenya next week, after farmers earned over 200 million shillings from the first two consignments earlier this year.
And we've seen a lot of interest now from the Gulf countries. They want more of our product.
Benson Rioba for Lunchtime News.